Have you ever wanted a clean, easy-to-navigate menu for your Google Sites website? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a navigation bar in Google Sites, step by step, so your visitors can find everything effortlessly. First, head over to the Pages tab on the right-hand panel. Here, you can create new pages for your website. As soon as you add them, Google Sites automatically generates a navigation menu. The best part? You can easily organize these pages, create sub-pages under main sections, and even include external links or embedded pages directly in your menu. This makes your site much more interactive and user-friendly. Next, let's talk about customizing the position of your navigation bar. By default, it sits at the top of your website, but if you prefer a sidebar, simply click the gear icon to access settings. Then, navigate to Navigation Settings and choose the Side option. Instantly, your navigation menu will shift to a sleek sidebar, giving your site a fresh, modern look. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created a fully functional navigation bar that makes browsing your site a breeze. Start experimenting with pages, sub-pages, and links to make your menu work best for your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore more tips and tricks to make your Google Sites experience even smoother.